and welcome! In this video, I'm going to share with you my top favorite Romanian words that never fail to crack me up. So buckle up, hold on to your funny hats, and let's have some laughs together. Fofârlică. The sound of this word is just downright hilarious. It's commonly used in expressions like a umbla cu fofârlica, which translates to play a trick or deceive someone, as in crezi că mă prostești? Știu că umbli cu fofârlica. Or a prinde pe cineva cu fofârlica, meaning to catch someone playing a trick or trying to deceive someone, as in l-am prins cu fofârlica. Una spune, alta face. Flecușteț. This word does have a way of bringing a smile to one's face, doesn't it? It's a diminutive form of flac, which refers to something lacking importance or a matter of no consequence. For example, să nu lăsăm un flecușteț ca acesta să ne stea în drum. Flecușteț can also refer to a small or insignificant person, as in the following example. Cine mai e și flecuștețul ăsta? Chițibuș. It's impossible not to crack a smile whenever I hear this word. It refers to an insignificant or trivial detail, as in the sentence. Pentru unii, fiecare chițibuș este important. The derivative chițibușar in the masculine or chițibușară in the feminine is used to describe a meticulous person who emphasizes small details, or it can be used in a negative sense to refer to a nitpicker. For example, așa este el chițibușar în tot ceea ce face. Catrafuse. I don't know who came up with this word, but I can't help but find it utterly ridiculous. It's used in the plural, describing a mishmash of random items or small household items in disorder, or to describe someone's belongings, as in și-a strâns catrafusele și a plecat. Bâldâbâc. The resonance of this word is just too much. I definitely think Romanian has the funniest interjections, and this one is no exception. It's used to mimic the sound of an object plunging into water. For example, alergam pe malul râului, când deodată m-am dezechilibrat și bâldâbâc am căzut în râu. Hodorong-tronc. Well, on the subject of interjections, another gem I adore is hodorong-tronc, signaling that something occurs unexpectedly or all of a sudden, often referring to something that is out of place, as in te-ai trezit și tu acum hodorong-tronc să vorbești aiurea. Măiculiță. Măiculiță is a diminutive of maică, a folk term for mother, old woman, or nun. It's also commonly used as an interjection akin to holy cow in English, expressing surprise, astonishment, delight, or dismay. For example, măiculiță, ce-au crescut prețurile. A se bălângăni. A se bălângăni is synonymous with another amusing verb, a se bălăbăni. Both suggest, among other things, a side-to-side motion, often with swaying movements, or to dangle or wobble, as in the following example. Nu te mai bălângăni atâta pe scaun. A se fofila. Another delightful verb, in my opinion, is a se fofila, often used to describe evading a duty or dodging responsibility. Cu toții știm pe cineva care se fofilează când trebuie să muncească. Nătăfleț. Nătăfleț sounds so silly. It refers to a person who isn't that bright or someone who can be easily deceived or fooled. M-am băgat în treaba asta ca un nătăfleț. If you've stuck around until now, here are a couple more words that I find absolutely hilarious for your enjoyment. Pârș. It's just a dormouse, but the sound of this now never fails to make me burst into laughter. Pișcot. Who would have thought a pastry could sound so funny? This is what we call the ladyfinger biscuit in Romanian. Pufoșenie. Pufoșenie refers to something that is adorably fluffy or fuzzy. A gâlgâi. This verb sounds just as comical as the action it describes, which is to gulp down a drink with loud swallows. poponeț. Poponeț is used to affectionately refer to someone's bottom, particularly in children. Ghiduș. Ghiduș is an adjective that describes a witty person or someone who has a playful attitude. Calabalâc, which is a synonym of catrafuse, both referring to various objects in disorder. Alrighty, that's about it for now. Join me on Patreon for exclusive access to additional learning materials, many extra goodies, and a chance to engage further with my content and our beautiful community of Romanian enthusiasts. Let's grow together and share our love for all things Romanian. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, I'll see you next time. Be happy! Be happy! Ba, ba.